Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. Let's get into the Boxycharm by Ipsy and Ipsy Glam Bag spoiler for September. I filmed this, but my mic was acting up, so I'm not even using that right now. So if you can hear the AC, sorry, I'm getting a new mic, but like that was, it had this, no. All right, so choice, I believe already opened for Ipsy Glam Bag, but I'm gonna go over this. I filmed this, like I said, like a little while ago, but like I'm not having you guys listen to that. We have the official spoilers, so maybe this will carry on to other boxes. I don't know, or other bags. So let me go in on the actual website first for Ipsy. I'm doing Ipsy Glam Bag first, and then we'll do Boxycharm by Ipsy. And then we don't have an icon box this month. That's only seasonal. So the first product we have is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 16-hour foundation. I've heard this is like full coverage, like extremely matte, very kind of drying for oily skin personally. But I think they switched up the packaging because that's not how I remember it. Maybe I'm just remembering a different foundation. They got quite a few. So this is a whipped mousse foundation, glides on like silk and blends seamlessly into your skin. The brand's poreless technology helps to reduce the look of pores, fine lines, wrinkles, this sought after airbrush finish, whatever. Plus, it's powered by sustainably sourced, hand-harvested Amazonian clay to help you achieve smooth, even, and hydrated skin all day long. I'm assuming it's a mini because this is the glam bag. You usually don't have a lot of full-size products. Sometimes like a full-size mascara, but like usually it's a travel size. By the way, I do get sent this in PR, so I'm not going to choose any of my products. Boxycharm by Ipsy, I do pay for, which I'm like on the verge of canceling. I did skip last month because I was just like, no. But we'll see if I'm going to stick with this month. I still have until the 1st to decide for choice. So then we also have as another option is the Purely's Beauty Halo Glow BB Cream Highlighter. I'm kind of done with these liquid products, just saying. And usually these are in my bags. These are not a good shade for me. As you can see, I'm kind of fair. So the golds don't really look very good on me. And I keep getting like really deep complexion products, which I'm not deep. If I was, I'd be happy, but I'm not. So give those to people that actually are deep or want deeper complexion products. It says it's glow time packed with skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. This liquid highlighter hydrates and nourishes your skin while giving you a stunning, radiant glow. The exclusive Asian herb complex adds an extra touch of brightness and helps improve the texture of your skin, leaving you with a dewy, luminous complexion that's bound to turn heads. Then we have, I don't like this mascara, the Pacifica Beauty Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara in black. It's travel size, which I like travel size mascara, so that's not my gripe with it. The wand is really big and it doesn't really do anything. And it kind of just, I found it very goopy. I just remember this not being a good mascara. My lashes, like, it looked like they were all like bunched together, but like no volume and like barely any length. And then also the flaking, like, and the smudging. No. I don't care that it's clean. It's not good. Then we have by Shades by SHAN or Shades by SHAN. I've gotten some products from them. Like I had a setting spray and then something else from them. But this, I do like the brush. It's cute. I like the ombre look, and I love eyeshadow brushes. This doesn't look like a big fluffy eyeshadow brush, which I like, and it is synthetic. And then we have from LAVIDO. Never heard of this brand, or if I have, it's only in Boxycharm or Ipsy. This is the Aromatic body lotion with patchouli and vanilla. It's a small size, which is fine. I don't really like getting lotions in my box. Like, first of all, I don't really go through lotions, as well as like, I just feel like that's something that you can just buy yourself. Anyway, it's decadent body lotion. Not only nourishes and hydrates your skin, but it leaves behind a sweet and earthy scent of patchouli and vanilla. I mean, that sounds nice, but like, I feel like it's kind of like a throwaway product. And then we have from KOPARI, we have an eye cream, because if you have Ipsy or Boxycharm, you do not have enough eye creams. And that was total sarcasm because we get an eye cream every single month, sometimes in both. But KOPARI is a good brand. If you have reaction to coconut, then you probably wouldn't like it because all our products are coconut. And then from Benefit, we've been seeing a lot of Benefit. They're not cruelty-free, so I really don't care. But this is the POREfessional Super Setter Pore Minimizing Setting Spray in a small size. So let's see what else we have for glam bag. I see this is on Boxy Ipsy. I see the Hey Honey Show Your Glow Beauty Mask. And then I see the Professional Gel Eyeliner. It's a double-sided eyeliner. the Shani and Mimey, some type of lip gloss. Tweezers from Wanomi Cosmetics. I'm trying to read from my computer, but like it is super small. Some Silk hair detangler spray, which I feel like we've seen this brand before. And then Beauty For Real liquid eyeshadow. I'm over the liquid eyeshadows. Either be a powder, like, or I guess like a cream, but like I just personally prefer powder. Like, why? And then we have from Ren Clean Skincare Kelp and Fatigue Body Wash. What is that all about? And then the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, which I do actually really like. It's very hydrating. So those are confirmed official choice spoilers. So let me know what you guys chose. But like, I'm not really excited. Today, I guess, is the last day of choice, which is my birthday, actually, August 23rd. Don't know when this is going up, but I'm trying my best. And then let's do the Boxycharm by Ipsy. By the way, I'm filming this at like 9 o'clock at night, so sorry if I'm dragging a little bit. Not spring chicken anymore. 31 years old today. This is on their website, by the way. This is the #1. We have the BURKI Retin-C Treatment Complex. I've only seen them in Boxycharm as well. I've had a moisturizer as well as an eye cream. So this has 2.5% retinol and 7% vitamin C. We get a lot of vitamin C products. Not really excited about that, but whatever. We have something from Glow Recipe, which I am excited about, but I'm not excited that's a gel eye cream. Like, we have, again, so many eye creams. But I'm excited to see if I actually get the Glow Recipe product. I did get a mini of Glow Recipes Niacinamide drops last month, so maybe. And then we have the Tarte Waterproof Maneater Mascara, which I'm not really a fan of, like, some of their mascaras. I like the tubing mascara, but that's, like, my only one I've had good luck with. And, like, the Gifted, I believe. I haven't used that in, like, years, but I don't really... I mean, I have issues with smudging and flaking sometimes, but, like, waterproof mascaras I have not had good luck with. Like, they're obnoxious to take off, so I've heard they're not really great for your lashes. And then we have from LYS Beauty the Think Deep Pore Minimizing Detox Mask with blueberry and charcoal. I wouldn't just kind of stick with makeup. Like, I'm not really a big mask person. I just feel like I don't have the time for it. Like, I'm like, when I'm doing my skincare, I'm already dragging, so I'm like having something like something I have to wash off. No, I prefer like sleep masks, like hydrating ones. But anyway, Origins, not cruelty free. We had the Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Smoothing Treatment Lotion. Enough with the lotions, please. I think this is like a moisturizer, but like, no. This I'm excited about, okay? This is from LUNAR Beauty, which we've had some drama going on recently, but besides the point. Lip Pencil Duo in Blushing and Doodle. I am excited to try these because I've been wanting to try these, but I was just like, I don't know. There's nothing else I wanted to place in the... I mean, like, I like his products, and I've wanted to try the setting powder too, but let me know if you guys, which you guys want to pick. Into Boxy Ipsy for spoilers. Let's see, anything else? I guess there's a flash sale going on too. Oh, and the Ipsy Glam bag looks really cute. Okay, I see something from Glowish. I think that's a lip scrub, which... And then the Tarte blush also. There's like a Tarte cream blush also, which... Hopefully that's not the color, because that hot pink color, like maybe for Barbie, but like just not for me. And then we have an Ofra palette. Looks like some... It's a 6-pan. I see a highlighter, 2 highlighters, and then some eyeshadows. It has like a random purple that like doesn't really seem to go with anything. I'm trying to think. I don't know if I'm gonna like, I don't know. So far I'm not really impressed. And even like the shop, I'm not really that impressed either. Okay, I think that is all the spoilers. If not, I will post, like, just check out my reels and my TikToks and shorts for other spoilers that might be coming up. But yeah, let me know what you guys are gonna choose. If you guys are excited, if you're not excited, what would you choose if you do subscribe to the Ipsy Glam bag or Boxycharm by Ipsy? And stay tuned for my unboxings. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.